This video demonstrates how offline mode works in the ServiceNow mobile app and provides a demo of how to use it. Linked time codes for these topics appear in the YouTube description for this video. When you're using the ServiceNow mobile app, it needs internet connectivity to access data in your instance and send back any changes that you make to that data. When you're on-site at your work location, you can access your company's Wi-Fi network. But what happens when you're off-site? You may run into situations where the only Wi-Fi available is unsecure, or you don't have the password to access any secure Wi-Fi connections, or there's no Wi-Fi at all. What do? You can use offline mode in the ServiceNow mobile app. Before heading out to a remote site, download data to your device while you still have internet access. This way, you'll have the latest data and can enable offline mode if needed. The data you download when you use this feature is a fixed, limited data set from the applications you can access, saved into a cache on your mobile device. By default, the cache expires in 48 hours. This means you must upload the changes stored in your cache before it expires. Otherwise, these changes will be lost. Your administrator can configure the cache expiration time, as well as other offline properties in the System Properties list. If your cache hasn't expired, you can disable offline mode and push your changes to the instance when you have internet access again. Another important point, if someone else makes a conflicting change to a record, your change won't be uploaded. We'll show you how to resolve these errors in a moment. Now let's look at an example of using offline mode. We're logged in as a field service technician, and we frequently go off-site on service calls. Before we head out to a remote site, we download data to our device. When we go offline, the offline banner displays, and actions we can't access in offline mode appear grayed out. In our example, the Field Service app allows us to access data in My Tasks, My Inventory, and My Part Requirements. So we can make changes to these records only while we're offline. When we submit a change to a record in offline mode, the change gets marked by a yellow border and appears in the outbox. When we can go back online, we disable offline mode and the app syncs up our changes with the instance. If all goes well, our changes sync up successfully. What do you do if one or more changes in your outbox don't sync up with the instance? In our example, our dispatcher canceled a task that we started work on. We delete these messages here in the outbox, and the changes won't be sent to the instance. Back in the app, the work order task disappears from our list. For more information, please see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.